Hi, my name is Gary and I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas. First of all, I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. We're going to take a look at a major winter storm that we expect to impact the South Plains region here over the holiday weekend. That'll be after a very mild and pleasant and dry Christmas Day. We do expect this winter storm to really impact the area starting late Saturday night and then continuing on through Sunday and into Monday before gradually winding down. Early on, we could see some freezing rain and sleet mixing in before gradually changing to all snow. That would be from west to east across the area, across the South Plains into the rolling plains on Sunday. Regarding amounts, these are very preliminary. I want to stress that, but we do expect heavy snow by the time all is said and done, with 4+ inches pretty much across the entire region. Right now, we think the greatest totals, anywhere from a half a foot to 10 or more inches, will be possible across the southwest Texas Panhandle and western South Plains. That will be where they change over to snow the quickest. And elsewhere, we could see probably less than a quarter of inch of sleet and ice with several inches of snow. That would be 4 or greater, potentially much greater, although that's still subject to change. That would be from the central South Plains, including in and around Lubbock, out into the rolling plains. And then I do want to stress these are preliminary snow, sleet, and ice projections. Obviously, the storm system's not going to arrive until a couple days out yet, so check back as this forecast is refined and things can change. What do we expect to be the main hazards with this major winter storm over the weekend? Well, travel is going to become treacherous, maybe even impossible, as roads become snowpacked and icy on Sunday and then they continue in bad shape on into Monday. We will have very strong north winds moving in behind a cold front on Saturday with winds from 30 to 40 miles an hour. We could see some gusts well over 50 miles an hour on late Saturday night into Sunday, and then gradually winding down on Monday. Of course, all these winds will blow the snow around, whatever snow is falling, and on the ground, and that'll create blizzard, near whiteout conditions, so making travel very difficult. Even if you can move around, you won't be able to see. And all this wind will create significant drifting of snow. We could see some drifts of 5 to 10 feet out in the rural areas. And along with the strong winds, temperatures will be falling into the 20s and teens, and that's going to create wind chills down around zero. So it'll be brutally cold out there as well. So if you do try to travel about, you're definitely going to want to prepare in case you do get stuck. These are the hazards that we have out right now. We do have a blizzard watch across the western areas, the western South Plains and the southwest Texas Panhandle. That includes Freona, Plains, Levelland, and Littlefield. This is where we think most of the precipitation will be snow. There could be a little bit of mix early on Saturday night, but it should quickly switch to all snow early Sunday. And with those strong winds, we'll see a lot of blizzard-like conditions out there. Further east, we could see a little more of that mixed phase with the freezing rain, sleet, and ice. That's why we have a winter storm watch. But once it does change over to snow, we'll also have those strong winds, so you'll see blizzard conditions there as well. So just be aware it's going to be treacherous travel throughout the region here from Sunday into at least early Monday. So just a quick summary of what we expect with this major winter storm over the weekend. We expect colder temperatures to move in on Saturday, but the precipitation, the wintry precipitation, will really kick in late Saturday night and continue through Sunday and through at least early Monday before gradually diminishing from west to east during the day on Monday. This will affect the entire region. That includes the southern Texas Panhandle, South Plains, and rolling plains. And we expect many different impacts. We'll have sleet and ice early on, changing to heavy snow, bitterly cold wind chills down around 0 degrees, blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions making travel very difficult to impossible, along with significant drifting of snow. So obviously, if you have any travel plans on Sunday into Monday, you're going to want to pay close attention and be ready to change those travel plans, maybe stay in place for an extra day or two if you have to. And of course, the system's still a couple days out, so you're going to want to check back as our forecast is updated and fine-tuned, because things can change over the coming days. Good luck and Merry Christmas.